How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 26, tall unit, 2 doors, double oven. Let's start. Duplicate tall unit 4 doors from our previous tutorial. Copy, paste, and rename the file tall unit 2 doors, double oven. Okay, open the file, go to 3D, delete this door panel, delete this door panel, go to reference level, then download and open the file double oven. See the description below for the link. Make sure you check shared so you can schedule the component. Load into the project and select the tall unit 2 doors double oven. Okay, pick somewhere here, align, select this reference plane, select the center of the oven, lock, then go to left elevation, align, select this reference plane, select this edge and lock. Okay, select this reference plane, select this line, lock. Okay, next select this shelves or the divider, delete, then go to front elevation. Okay, dimension, select this edge, select this reference plane. Okay, 294, go to family types. Let's change the drawer 1 height to 294. Okay, then select realistic and fine. Okay, next go to family types. Let's rename this type to tall unit or TU 2 doors 2D, TU 2D double oven. Okay, then delete the rest of the family types. We don't need this. Okay, apply. Okay, then go back to 3D view, select fine, then save the family, load into the project. Okay, next insert, select the unit, spacebar to rotate, then let's go to level 1. Okay, select this end panel, mirror, select the center of the cooktop. Okay, go back to 3D. Okay, align, go to modify, select align, select this side surface, select this surface, then select the wall surface and select this surface. Okay, select the unit, go to edit type, change the top trim height to 0.12 meters, then the top trim finish. Let's select the oak white door, Okay, apply. Okay, then select the unit, copy, type 0.6 meters. Okay, then go to level 1, select the end panel, then mirror, select this line, go back to 3D. Okay, done. Thank you.